Hi everyone. How are you? Welcome to the High Fitness by Weakness channel. Today I'm gonna show you a vegan diet guide for beginners. So stay tuned guys, because in a moment, you will receive a quick dose of incredibly useful knowledge. The vegan diet has become very popular. Increasingly more people have decided to go vegan for ethical, environmental or health reasons. When done right, such a diet may result in various health benefits, including a trimmer waistline and improved blood sugar control. Nevertheless, a diet based exclusively on plant foods may, in some cases, increase the risk of nutrient deficiencies. This video is a detailed beginner's guide to the vegan diet. It aims to cover everything you need to know, so you can follow a vegan diet the right way. What is the vegan diet? Veganism is defined as a way of living that attempts to exclude all forms of animal exploitation and cruelty, whether for food, clothing or any other purpose. For these reasons, the vegan diet is devoid of all animal products, including meat, eggs and dairy. People choose to follow a vegan diet for various reasons. These usually range from ethics to environmental concerns, but they can also stem from a desire to improve health. There are several ways to follow a vegan diet, but scientific research rarely differentiates between the different types. In description of this video you will find examples of foods to eat, foods to avoid and a vegan sample menu for 1 week. Vegan diets can help you lose weight. Vegans tend to be thinner and have a lower body mass index than non-vegans. This might explain why an increasing number of people turn to vegan diets as a way to lose excess weight. Part of the weight-related benefits vegans experience may be explained by factors other than diet. These may include healthier lifestyle choices, such as physical activity and other health-related behaviors. The natural tendency to eat fewer calories on a vegan diet may be caused by higher dietary fiber intake, which can make you feel fuller. Vegan diets seem particularly effective at improving markers of blood sugar control. They may also lower the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Vegan diets may also improve heart health. However, more high-quality studies are needed before strong conclusions can be drawn. Vegan diets are linked to an array of other health benefits, including benefits for cancer risk. Vegans may benefit from a 15% lower risk of developing or dying from cancer. Arthritis. Vegan diets seem particularly effective at reducing symptoms of arthritis such as pain, joint swelling and morning stiffness. Kidney function. Diabetics who substitute meat for plant protein may reduce their risk of poor kidney function. Alzheimer's disease. Observational studies show that aspects of the vegan diet may help reduce the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. That said, keep in mind that most of the studies supporting these benefits are observational. This makes it difficult to determine whether the vegan diet directly caused the benefits. Randomized controlled studies are needed before strong conclusions can be made. Hey! Are you interested in a vegan diet? Are you going to try it out? Or maybe you've tried it before? Share a comment. Individuals may choose veganism for ethical, environmental or health reasons. When done right, the vegan diet can be easy to follow and may provide various health benefits. As with any diet, these benefits only appear if you are consistent and build your diet around nutrient-rich plant foods rather than heavily processed ones. Vegans, especially those who are unable to meet their daily nutrient requirements through diet alone, should consider supplements. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you are looking for something that can really help you lose weight, please check the link in description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to receive new powerful videos and stay motivated every single day. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Have a great day and see you in the next video.